Hey guys, it's Ana. What's up? I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today I'm bringing to you a very exciting video. I'm working with Ana Luisa on this video and I'm going to be showing you guys some really fucking cute jewelry pieces. If you know me or you've watched my jewelry collection, you would know that most of the jewelry I own is silver and I've been wanting to add gold jewelry to my collection for a minute, but it's very hard to come by at vintage sales, which is where I get a lot of my jewelry from. Anyways, these pieces are literally exactly what I've been wanting, fit into my collection so nicely and just give that extra little like love mixing gold and silver jewelry. You just need the proper pieces to do so. So I'm going to be showing you guys the pieces I picked out, starting with this, which I almost can't even get over. This bracelet is called the Michelle Bold bracelet, and like just looking at it, you know, like bitch, we get it. It's so cute. A classic gold. This is timeless, especially stacked on top of a silver bracelet. And this is something that like I know I'm gonna wear forever, so definitely a piece that I was like, need that. Right now Ana Luisa has a sale going on for Valentine's Day. Okay, so this bracelet is normally $115, but it's $96 on sale right now, which I feel like is a very fair pricing for a gold-plated bracelet. You know, the quality is there. The next piece I need to show you guys, like, hi, here it is. This is the rope bold ring. I have been wanting a ring in this style for so long. I don't know why I've never gotten one. Automatically stacked it up with the silver one. I just feel like the silver and gold, because of the different like textures in each ring, it's just doing it for me. I feel like this is like the it ring for 2020. Everybody got this motherfucking ring. So if you're really wanting it, right now is the perfect time because it's 15% off. Next piece. Okay. These hoops are just like too much. These are the Tia medium hoops in gold. Again, gold plated, which is so important with earrings, especially. Every single pair I've gotten silver or gold, if it's not actually sterling silver or at least gold plated, they just turn because hoops kind of like rub on your face, especially if you're wearing like a high coat or something. So I've literally gone through probably like 10 pairs of just silver and plain gold hoops. Now that I have a pair that's just like I don't have to worry about, I'm actually gonna wear them. Like when I wear bright colors, like right now, all I want to wear is gold. Like gold is just so complimentary to warm colors. It's classic pieces like this, like hoop earrings, a little classic bracelet, that are worth spending your money on because they're things that you know, even when your style changes and shifts, they're pieces that you're always going to go back to. More cost efficient to buy a piece that you're going to have forever than 10 pairs of $5 hoops. I'm finally super content with my jewelry collection because I've only bought things in the past like 2 years that I know are gonna last me and that I actually love, and that makes it very easy to be like, okay, I'd rather get this one thing than 10 pairs of like whatever that's just gonna tarnish and end up in the garbage, you know? If you're someone who's wanting to build up your jewelry collection and get quality pieces that are gonna last you, jewelry is not something you wanna have to think about when it's on you. You wanna just like wear it and enjoy it and look good doing it. Also, a huge thing for me with Ana Luisa is the fact that they're so sustainable. Like, okay, I didn't even talk about this. The packaging is just too much. So it comes in this little brown box, which obviously is recyclable. And these, bitch, I'm about to be using these and organizing my whole entire jewelry collection. I know you're supposed to store your jewelry like individually. You shouldn't have all your shit just like on top of each other, which is definitely what my Alex store looks like right now. All my jewelry is just like intertwined. So I'm gonna organize like everyday jewelry in here. So these are honestly very useful. You guys know that I literally thrift my entire wardrobe and sustainability is very important to me, and I'm a very conscious shopper. So knowing that Ana Luisa actually offsets 100% of their carbon emissions and also through to the disposal of the product, it's sustainable. I know as a consumer, after you're done with something, it's kind of like, okay, like bye. You just like kind of hope it biodegrades. This brand is very open about the fact that their products are sustainable through to the disposal is very fucking important. Ana Luisa also has a 365-day warranty. The last day to order off of Ana Luisa to ensure that you get it before Valentine's Day for the US is February 2nd, and then for international buyers it's going to be February 5th. If you do end up taking advantage of the 15% off sale, comment down below what you got. I would love to know, and I do have a link in my description. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I style these beautiful pieces to level up 3 different outfits. I have told you guys that I'm going to do a video where I literally break down like every aspect of how I style outfits, and I thought this would be like the perfect video to incorporate with Ana Luisa jewelry because jewelry is obviously a huge component to completing an outfit. I feel like the best way to start styling an outfit is to start with one piece. So if that's a new pair of shoes you want to style, if that's a hoodie, if that's pants, a top, I usually start with tops just because they're a lot more like out there, at least my tops are, so it's easier to pair pants with tops. So right now I'm gonna go into my goddamn top drawer and I'm gonna pull out probably like 5 different tops, and we're just gonna see where this takes us. So let's do it. So this is my drawer of all my tops. It's kind of organized. Like, I personally know this is long sleeves. We have more like polo kind of style. I tend to put stuff I want to style more at the front, and then at the back it's things that like not really wearing that much. Some of it's like honestly on Depop, and I should probably take it out. But that's the tea. When I think of gold jewelry, honey, you already know this tan and brown combo is just amazing. This is another thing, corset. I would definitely, I could style this, honestly. This is kind of like, okay, we'll pull it out. Kind of here for this little baby tee as well. This is so cute. It has a low back. Okay, we're definitely doing this one. I have a vision with this shirt already. I got a new pair of shoes that will go with this, so we're gonna try that out. Also want to show you guys how I would take a basic tank like this one, the way that jewelry just like completely makes this a look. We're gonna go into my closet. Okay, my closet honestly needs help. Like, there's really not much organization going on in here, but a piece that I'm really keen to style is this jacket. I actually am obsessed with this, and I just rediscovered it in my wardrobe. I don't know what this angle is doing for me, but oh, okay. I literally have yet to style this sweater. I'm gonna do an outfit with this. I actually have an idea with this already, okay? I feel like that's enough, honestly. I'm only doing 3 outfits, but I don't want to get like extremely ahead of myself, which is usually how this goes. I'm gonna pull this skirt too. Okay. This kilt. I'm gonna lay out these shirts to see what we're working with. Definitely with this one, I already have kind of a vision, and then same with this jacket. Sometimes I'll, as I said, like pull a piece and already kind of have an idea of how I want to style it. Sometimes I have no fucking clue. But so with this shirt specifically, I just got a new pair of shoes, which I will show you guys. Just got these shoes in the mail literally yesterday. They're from the brand Globe. They're basically like insanely chunky skateboard shoes, and I could not be more obsessed with this colorway. This is called Blue Heaven. I got these in blue, and then I'm also waiting on a pair of pink ones, which is just like, I'm really extra. Anyways, thinking of styling these with, and also they even come with blue laces, which I just can't. Thinking of doing a whole blue moment with this, possibly this kilt, maybe not though. Or now going into my pant drawer, I could do just like a classic blue jean. So once I have like some ideas, I'll usually pull like multiple pants or multiple tops for like, you know what I mean, like one item. So I'm gonna put these pants with this kilt and then this shirt over here with the shoes too, and then that way I can try on like both options. And I kind of wait until I have at least like 5 outfits or whatever, I'm doing 3 ready before I try anything on, because once I have it on, I usually switch it the fuck up, you know. But for that outfit specifically, I need to also choose a purse I'm gonna do with it, and then I don't think I'm gonna do like a hat or anything, but I always accessorize last. So I pick the outfit and then I go to the jewelry, which we'll get to, and then I'm like, okay, do I want to add sunglasses? Always. Or do I want to add a hat, a hoodie? Like, how much layering do I want to do here, you know? So for this blue outfit, as I said, after I have the basics chosen, then I'll go into like how I'm gonna layer the outfit. So I'll usually just do like a classic white crew neck, either around the neck or like thrown over top, depending. Or I'm thinking also even this like white juicy hoodie could be super cute if I go for this top with the jeans maybe. So these are just some options. I don't want to do anything crazy with this just because, I don't know, I like want the focus to be on the shoes. So this is going to be one outfit done that I'm going to try on and just see how that goes. Right off the bat with this sweater, call me crazy, I don't know, this could be it. This could be super cute. Since this sweater fits very loose around the waistband, I think that having it just like lay over top of this skirt would be actually really cute. And I've been struggling with styling this sweater just because it's kind of at an awkward length to wear with jeans. It's not like long enough, but it's obviously not cropped. If you're someone who isn't as keen to mix patterns like this, you could do a moment like this. I literally just stole these from my brother's wardrobe. If you have brothers or siblings or your parents, like, and you're bored of your own clothes, like go steal their shit, you know? I want to do something with this top to show you guys how I would make this into more of an outfit. Right now I'm looking for a pair of pants to match with this tank. I'm thinking I might do actually my Carhartt. This is where all my pants that are big are stacked. This is so fucking like not whatever. I don't have enough room. Shit's getting a little bit out of hand here. Basically, we're gonna do this tank top, and I'm gonna try that with my Carhartt pants. I already know with an outfit that's kind of like, I don't know, I need more layers. So I'm gonna try, we're really playing with neutrals here. This, I don't know how this is gonna go, to be honest. Like we're just, that's what a lot of this is, just like trying it out, and who the fuck knows. With this blazer, and then I'm thinking I'm gonna tie like these earthy tones together with obviously my Dior glasses, which I wear all the time, and then this Ed Hardy hat, gold jewelry. We'll see what happens. So I have my 3 outfits. I'm gonna start off with the Burberry skirt outfits. Okay, this sweater is from Open Fort, and I also have to go get some shoes and stuff. I'm gonna put this on and then we'll talk. Okay, so I have the first outfit on, and I can't even lie, I'm obsessed with it. This definitely doesn't happen all the time. Normally I'll have, like, as you guys saw, like 3 variations of a similar kind of outfit and choose from that. But like, this is it. I'm obsessed. I'm so happy. I actually figured out how I'm gonna style this sweater now, so I can get some wear out of it. Sweater from Open Fort, and then this vintage Burberry inspired skirt. I decided to go with my moon boots, which has been my like go-tos for the winter time, you guys know. And this xoxo bag has just been a classic. I love adding any kind of claw clip onto my bags. It just like adds a little bit of like cute. Obviously I've got like gold and silver going on. There's silver hardware on here, but there's just very warm tones throughout the outfit, so I feel like it ties in with the gold jewelry. Like these hoops are just completing the whole look. I love the way that this jewelry complements the outfit. Okay, bitch. These glasses with the jewelry, the hoops, like, I'm here for it. I love it. This look is everything. Let me pan down. Also, I'm so sorry that my room is just not ideal to be showing you guys these outfits. You can obviously make this like appropriate for your climate, add some tights or don't. Obsessed. Okay, we're going to try, I guess I could do a try on these pants because I need to try them on anyways to see if they fit me, but like I'm really happy with how this outfit looks, so I would not, like I would just take my photo in it and move on. I'm not mad. They're definitely very, very big. Like they still sit at my hips, but they're super big. The pockets just like accentuate how big they are, but like cute with my little Ugg slippers. As you guys can see, I just coordinate all the tones in my outfits. This outfit is almost too much. Like I really love this fit for sure. I feel like I'm gonna have to do a lookbook video where I just like feature these fucking outfits because this needs more of a moment than this video. I started off with this little Jordan's baby tee. I also knew I was gonna be styling with these blue shoes, so went for a whole blue look, obviously. These jeans are one of my favorite pairs of thrifted jeans. I got these like 2 years ago or more. They're by the brand Express. They just fit me super well, and I love the way that they stack on top of my shoes. Whenever I'm doing a full blue moment, I always do this denim bag, which is from Guess, obviously a thrifted bag as well. And then I went really icy with the white earmuffs. Got my rings on and gold hoops. I also think it's super cute how the earmuffs, like, you can like low-key still see the hoops. I usually wear really small baby hoops, so this is like very fun. These shoes look like 11s from the top because they're so wide, and like the laces are just the same vibe. That's 2 for 2. Like I'm telling you guys, this does not always happen. And also I'm going to add this sweater on. Let's see what this looks like. If I was, you know, going to school or something, I always bring a hoodie just because I get freezing cold. This would definitely be the hoodie I'd wear. Okay, like I actually am obsessed. I'm not. This is the last outfit. I'm definitely very here for this outfit as well. You guys saw I started with this tank top from Urban Outfitters. I also layered this with a little waffle knit army green bra from Urban Outfitters as well, actually. And I'm tying that together with this Ed Hardy hat, which literally I cannot wear because my braids go too high up. But like, we'll pretend. Thrifted this blazer, which honestly, I never wear it. Like, I just kind of never wear blazers, but I like how it's kind of a baggy, not as structured vibe. So I feel like it's still definitely my style. I went with my same XO bag, which is just very slouchy with this whole look. I have my Carhartt pants on, definitely tie in like with the greens. That's kind of, you know, where that's happening. And I'm literally just wearing my Ugg slippers. I would wear my Air Forces with this for sure, but honestly they're so dirty and they're downstairs. If this hat was, you know, fitting my head right now, it'd be so cute with the hoops. When people have their hair up, whether it's in like 2 little buns or pigtails with a trucker hat, I think that's super cute. So it's kind of what I was trying to do, but obviously that didn't work. Even without the blazer, I feel like because I have this little lounge bra on, it like gives more of a dimension to the outfit. It's not as simple. I think a lot of the times that people see outfits that they really love, it's because there's so many layers to it and you're like, oh my god, where do I start? I hope you guys understand now how I style my outfits, what the process is. I love that I'm still wearing this. What the process is that works best for me. Obviously it's different for everyone. It's definitely something that I do quite often. I also love fashion, obviously, so it's fun for me to do this. A huge emphasis on the fact that jewelry literally makes an outfit, like accessorizing in general. If I were to just wear this with no like bling, it would be super boring. I even accessorize my fucking purse. Like, I add shit anywhere I can. As I said, it's all about the layers. I feel like once you have that down, your outfits are just gonna like be at that top tier. If you guys are interested in checking out Ana Luisa and getting 15% off, click the link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.